Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to do my first video on my hydroponic pepper plant. This is a jalapeno pepper. I actually bought this already started from Menards. This is the first plant I've really tried to grow on my own. So it started out planted in dirt. I was growing it in a container on my deck this last spring. So it probably is a year old now. It was probably started this time last year, and so it was growing in a container on my deck in dirt, and the wind knocked it over. It fell over a couple times, came out of the pot at one point, put it back in. So then I kind of got into the hydroponics, and I thought I would just do a cracky style hydroponics on my deck with it. Well, that went good for a while. And then it got blown over again because my deck is really windy, and at that point I brought it inside because it was early fall, and it had maybe 4 or 5 jalapenos on it as far as it got, because it had so much trouble throughout the year. So I brought it inside, cut it way back, as you can see how thick the trunk is here and how tight everything is inside there. You can see some buds. Oh, a flower coming out there. So I cut it way back, and this is where we're at now. It was basically a stick with a few leaves on it. So I put it in this deep water culture system, the first one I've done of those. So this has really been an experimental plant. Also, I had it out on the deck in this translucent Home Depot bucket, and it got algae on the roots. So I cut the roots way back, and you can see they're really grown a lot. They're coming back strong. The middle roots are the ones that had the problem, and the outer roots are the new ones. There's the inside of the bucket. I got an air stone going down there, some hydroponic nutrients, and it's growing quite well now. So hopefully pretty soon we will be getting some jalapenos on this plant, and I'll be able to show you how they grow. This thing is just really tight and just compact. It's only, I don't know, maybe a foot tall. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Nice thick trunk on it, and lots of buds popping out everywhere on this thing. We should have lots of jalapenos here pretty soon. So I'll do another video on this plant in a couple weeks, and we'll see where it's at. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this and want to learn more about hydroponics. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you.